So this is the week 4, the last week of the challenge, and for what I've seen, this is really just copy paste, nothing else. They provide us this service, and if you come here to players, we have the data that they want us to use. And they basically tell us to create this file in our root project. So let's do that. And yeah, copy the file they give us. So we can import the service, and we import the service with this command. So basically the last one is the file that we have created. And if we come here, we can see that in the package they add us this. I'm saying this because they want us to check what was generated by the command. So basically it was this on the package.json. It put our file in the service service external folder, and also created this file, the CSN. And I guess it's a very minimal way of telling what the service does. For example, we have the entity players here, and the elements, or normally I call it properties, of the entity players. So in this case, it's just the name, and it's a large string. So yeah, looks simple. And now they want us to check that and want us to create an environment file. So let's do that also. So in here, let's create the environment file and copy this to there. So should be done. And now they want us to replace our CDS service file with this. Let's do it. So I basically didn't expose all the entities, but it's because I didn't need it. And I guess just to have everything like they have, I'm just going to copy paste, but I only needed these 2 lines, really. And now they want us to redirect every time that, because if we come here, cd swatch, every time you come here, the players don't have data, and in this case is annotated. Why is that? Probably because I think we need to always do this, or you're going to have an error, because it's an external and they don't know where it goes. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to redirect the requests. So here in the service, just to have things like we have before, we're not going to use it as a string. We're going to use like this. And we need to make the init function async, so we can use the await keyword, and that should be it. I could also put this, but let's just leave it like this, and let's try again. So it says that it's not finding a model, so I guess I miss things in my system, so let me do that. So the command is like I did here, it's npm install, and I'm going to install it globally, resilience, and start it again, refresh, and now it's complaining about other model, so let's also install that one. And after the installation, let's try again. And as you can see, we have the data assessing our local host. And you can see here that the message that we have saying that is redirecting to the remote service. So we know for sure that this code is executing. So yeah, and that is that.